Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread in a cooker. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of milk, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our delightful banana bread batter. Begin by mashing your 3 to 4 ripe bananas until they are smooth. In a separate bowl, cream together the 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs and 1/4 cup of milk. Finally, gradually fold in the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. With our batter ready, let's set up the cooker for baking. First, grease and lightly flour a small baking tin that fits comfortably inside your pressure cooker. Pour the prepared banana bread batter into this tin. Next, place a sturdy stand or trivet at the bottom of your cooker. Carefully add about 2 cups of water to the cooker, ensuring the water level is below the baking tin. This creates a perfect steaming environment for your bread. It's time to bake our wonderful banana bread. Close the pressure cooker lid, but remember to remove the whistle or vent weight. Cook on a medium-low flame for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the tin and let the banana bread cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Enjoy your homemade, moist, and flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.